This will be a how-to video on removing an audio file from your system. So what you want to do is come to the welcome page. We're going to select the core software. And where we want to be is this audio files menu over here. You can select it here, or you can use your icons, which is configuration, audio files. Then all your audio files are going to list out here. So whatever one you're looking to delete, select it. Select the delete. It's going to ask you if you're sure you want to do that. Select OK. And now, as you can see, that file's been removed. Okay, you can do that for multiple files. You can click and drag and then hit delete, and it'll delete all of them at the same time. Once you're done, just turn back here to the main system, and those audio files will no longer be in your system. This will conclude our video on how to delete an audio file. Look forward to talking to you again.